Good morning class 2 students. Today we are starting new chapter of English 2 and the topic of this chapter is Bhima and the Demon. So now let's start. The evil Kaurava prince Duryodhana had tried to kill his cousins, the Pandavas' princess Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula and Sahadeva. But the Pandavas had escaped. Now they were living in a forest. This forest was full of demons. One day, a demon named Jatasura planned to kill Bhima. So, this story is basically all about Bhima and demon. Okay. So this demon's name is Jatasura, and Jatasura, he is planning to kill Bhima and his brothers. Okay, so his brothers' name is Yudhishthira, Arjuna, Nakula and Sahadeva. Okay, so they are Pandava friends. Okay. Jatasura disguised himself as a young man and went to Yudhishthira. So, what is disguised mean? Disguised mean to change the way of look so that people may not know who he is. Okay. So, Jatasura is a demon. Okay. So, Jatasura, he disguised himself to a young man and went to Yudhishthira. People, allow me to stay with you, he begged. My parents are dead and I have no one else to go. So Jatasura, a disguised young man, he went to a small village and he begged people so that people may allow him to stay with them. Okay, so he said that his parents are dead and he have nowhere else to go. Yudhishthira agreed and asked Nakula and Sahadeva to look after him. So, Yudhishthira, Nakula and Sahadeva, they are brothers, okay, and Bhima also. And Yudhishthira, he agreed and he asked Sahadeva and Nakula to look after the disguised young man, okay. Would you like to see the gardens or the stables where we keep the horses? Asked Nakula. So Nakula asked the disguised demon that would you like to see the gardens or the stables where we keep the horses? So stable means where horses stay. Okay. So but Jatasura was very cunning. Can I see the weapon please? He asked. So Jatasura, he was cunning means very smart. Okay. So very smart and clever. So Jatasura, he was very smart and clever, and he said that can I see the weapons please? So weapons means a special tool which is used for war. Okay, so he asked that can I see the weapons? Not today, replied Sahadeva. You will have to ask Bhima when he returns from hunting. So, Sahadeva, he replied to Jatasura, no, not today. You have to ask Bhima when he returned from hunting. Okay. When Bhima came back, he looked very happy. He had caught a deer after chasing a herd of deer for a long time. But he was not pleased to see this guest. He did not like him. So, Bhima, he returned back from hunting. Okay, so when he returned back, he looked very happy. Okay, so why he looked happy? Because he caught a deer. Okay, he killed a deer after chasing a deer for a long time. Okay, and he came back home, but he was not very happy to see the guest. Okay, so who was the guest here? Jatasura was the guest. Okay, so he was not happy to see the guest. He did not like Jatasura. Very soon, Jatasura became a favorite of the family. Slowly, he also learned where all the weapons were kept. So, slowly, Jatasura, he became the favorite of the family. Okay, everyone started liking Jatasura. Okay, and slowly, he also learned where all the weapons were kept. Okay, one day after a few weeks later, Bhima went out hunting. Jatasura took off the disguise and showed his real face. So after few weeks later, one day Bhima, he went out for hunting. He again went out for hunting. Okay. So Jatasura, he took off the disguise and showed his real face. So Jatasura, he came back to his real face. Okay, so this is Jatasura the demon. Okay, so he removed his disguised face and he came back to his real face. Okay, with one of his large hands, he caught hold of Yudhishthira and the others, and in the other hand he grabbed all their special weapons. He began to drag them deep into the forest. So in one of his large hand, can you see his large hand? He held all the brothers together. He grabbed all the brothers in one hand, and in other hand he grabbed all the weapons. Okay, the special weapons. Okay, and this demon, he began to drag, means to pull. Okay, so he began to pull all the brothers together into the deep forest. Okay, what are you doing? Asked Yudhishthira angrily. We trusted you. So Yudhishthira, one of the brother, he said to demon that, what are you doing to us? We believed in you, we trusted you, and what are you doing to us now? Your brother Bhima has killed many demons in this forest. Now I will kill him and all of you too, said Jatasura. So Jatasura, he said that your brother Bhima has killed many of the demons in the forest. Now I have come to kill you all. I will kill you and your brother Bhima also. Okay, so Jatasura is saying to Yudhishthira. Just then Bhima returned. Stop, you wicked demon, he shouted. Let go of my brother, turn around and fight. So Bhima came and he said to the demon that, stop, you wicked demon. Wicked means evil. Okay, stop, you evil demon, he shouted, and he said that, let go my brothers and fight with me. Yes, I will fight you and win, said Jatasura. You have harmed many demons in the forest. So Jatasura is saying to Bhima that, okay, I will fight with you and I will also win, because you have killed all the other demons and you have harmed many demons in the forest. Okay, drop the weapon and fight with me. Fight with your bare hand if you can, said Bhima. So Bhima is saying to Jatasura that, leave the weapons, drop the weapons and fight with me with your bare hand. Okay, without any weapon. So the demon is saying that, of course I can. So he also agreed and he said that, of course I will fight with you. Okay, so look at the picture. He is the angry demon. The demon and Bhima fought for many days, but in the end Bhima struck Jatasura down with a terrible blow. The Pandavas picked up their special weapon and returned home safely. So Jatasura and Bhima, they were fighting. Okay, so can you see in the picture? Sorry, Bhima and Jatasura, they were fighting. Okay, so after many days, they keep on fighting, and in the end Bhima, he struck Jatasura down. So struck Jatasura down means Bhima hit him with so much force that he fell to the ground. Okay, so Bhima hit Jatasura with so much force. Okay, and he fell down to the ground with a terrible blow. Blow means with a hit, with a hard hit with the hand. Okay, so the Pandavas picked up their special weapon and returned home safely. So and in the end, so the Pandavas' brother, they picked up their special weapon and they returned home safely. Okay, so now what is the moral of this story? So what does this story teaches us? The story teaches us the importance of our family in our lives. Okay, and how we should always help each other and keep each other safe. Okay, so thank you class 2.